everyone. So finally we have come here. You can see the beauty of this place. So this place is in our bucket list for a long time. So it was a sudden plan yesterday, and then we decided, we had planned earlier to go to the Bushi Dam, but then we changed the plan and then we thought of coming over here. So this place is actually known for the reverse waterfall. Okay, so we are going towards that side, okay, and from there we can see the waterfalls from the other part of the mountain, and you can see at the back there is also a small hill where we can also trek, and in fact we will trek after we will go back from here, and then at the back, if you can just yes, so if you can see this mountain, so there is a fort on top of it. So we will not be going for the trek, and now we are going here. So we have come with the Amra Shabai family. Okay, so let's go there and let's have fun, and we'll catch up in our next video. Hello friends, just see the beauty of the reverse waterfall in Naneghat. Just see the cloud, and sorry, it's not cloud, it's actually water. So it's coming up in the reverse direction. So just see that. Wow. Just see. So we have come here just to see this. Okay, now the cloud has increased and the rain has also increased and the wind has also. So everything has contributed for this phenomena. Just see. I hope you are enjoying. Okay, bye bye.